Hello, my great learners. You're welcome one more time to Math Theater TV. Today we're looking at logarithm equations, and we have an interesting question here. We're asked to find the value of x. So let's begin right now. One of the laws of logarithm says when we are dividing, we apply what? We apply subtraction principle. So here, the two expressions here, they're having the same base. So that gives us what? Log 10 2x plus 1 will divide what? Will divide 3x minus 2 as one of the laws of what? One of the laws of logarithm that states that when we divide, we subtract. And when we multiply, we do what? We add. Okay. Then on the right hand side, we have what? We have 1. Now that 1 can be expressed as what? Log 10. Any log to its own base is what? Is 1. So having done this now, log 10, we strike out log 10. So we're now left with what? We're left with what? 2x plus 1, or ratio what? 3x minus 2 equals what? Equals 10 on the right hand side. Now if we cross multiply here, the 10 will multiply the denominator here, which is 3x minus 2, and the 2x plus 1 will multiply the 1 here, and that will give us same expression. Okay, then from here, what do? We open the bracket here, that will give us 30x. Here will give us negative 20. Then while here we still have our 2x what? 2x plus 1. Please, one more time, if you're having get any value from this lecture, please do well to hit the like button and do subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post this interesting lectures. Now let's proceed. Then from here, what do? We collect like terms. Now the 2x should cross over to the side, while the 20 should cross the right hand side. So that gives us 30x. When the 2x crosses to the side, becomes what? Becomes negative 2x. And when the 20 crosses the right hand side, becomes positive 20. So that gives us 30 minus 2x. That's 28x. And here we have what? We have 21. Then we divide both sides by what? We divide both sides by 28. So the value of our x is now 21 ratio 28. And if we reduce this by what? To its lowest term, using 7 as a factor, 7 here will give us 3. 7 here will give us 4. So therefore, the value of x is what? The value of x is 4. One more time, please. Do give us a like on this video, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification. So let's proceed to the second question. Here they said we should evaluate this log 8 base 2, log 45 base 2, if this is this and this is what? All right. Now what we have to do here now is this. Log 8 to base 2 can be written as what? If we write this as an index of 2, the 8, that will be 2 raised to the power 3 minus, then log 45 can be expressed as what? Can be expressed as 9 times 5. 9 times 5 will give us 45. Okay. Now, one of the laws of logarithm again says that what? The power here will go behind to multiply the log. So that gives us 3 log 2 base 2 minus. Then here we have one of the laws again says if you are multiplying, we should what? Use addition. So that will give us, here can be expressed as what? Log 9 base 2 plus what? Plus log 5 base 2. All right. Now log 2 to itself is what? Will give us 1. So here we have 3, because this has gone as 1. Then here we have the log 9 to base 2 can be expressed as what? The 9 can be expressed as an index of 3. So that will be 3 raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. Then here we have log 5, 2. Okay. Same thing here again. The 2 will go behind to multiply. So that will give us 3 minus 2 log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Okay, so that gives us 3 minus 2. The value of log 3 base 2 is given to us, so we substitute. That's 1.585. Then the value of log 5 base 2 is given to us as what? 2.3219. All right, so that gives us what? If we multiply this, 1.585, multiply that by 2, that gives us 10, 0, carry 1, 17, 11, and that's 3. So that gives us 3.17. Then here we have 2.3219. Okay, now 3 plus this will give us 5. Then 5 point what? 5.3219 minus what? 3.17. And when we do this subtraction, we're going to have this. So that gives us 2 point what? 1519. So this is how we resolve what? Equations in logarithm, and also substitution in logarithm. Please, one more time, if you've got any value from today's lecture, do well to hit the like button and do subscribe. Most importantly, turn the bell notification on so YouTube give you instant notification when we post these interesting topics you're likely to see in your forthcoming WAEC and JAM examination. So this is Matthew TV. Until I see you in our next lecture, do have a great time. Peace.